Good afternoon, everyone. This is Arcadia Trading, and I will be breaking down SPY, QQQ, and a couple of support and resistance I'll be looking at. So, yesterday and Monday, I was talking about how SPY is testing its key resistance levels on the daily time frame, and you can see so far we have rejected from it. You can see this cluster resistance here and around this blue line, so we have rejected from that level. And currently, the daily consolidation is actually quite healthy. So it may feel like a really bearish day today due to NASDAQ, QQQ being weak. But if you look at the SPY chart right now, we pretty much closed to the open. So there's a bottom wick, which is a bullish candle. And even if we pull back, let's say another 2%, we're still higher than this low, meaning we're still in a daily uptrend. So let's say we, drop down here and bounced, we're still in a daily uptrend. But bulls, of course, don't want to see such a huge retracement due to the bigger the retracement, the more chances of when we bounce, the bears get a chance to set a daily downtrend. So the shallower the bounce, the more probability of we have a continuation of the uptrend. And so far, you can see if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we opened around here and we pretty much closed right under it. And essentially, bears wanted to hold below these levels, and bears, and bulls want to get above these levels. So we touched it briefly at the end of the last 10 minutes, and we closed really close right on top of it. We were a little bit weak during after hours, but I don't take the after hours data as much unless there's something significant of a move. So right now we are pretty much right on resistance. And do we see a continuation of the hourly downtrend tomorrow if the bears can follow through, breaking today's low? Or do we see that get negated and we form a daily, hourly uptrend? It's going to be key what I'm watching at, because if you look at QQQ, today, actually, I'm going to go on the hourly time frame for you guys. We got an hourly oversold for the first time after this part. As you can see right here, this is our very first hourly oversold on during that daily move, and we bounce off of it. So it's a very strong daily uptrend. So right now we got an hourly oversold again here today, and so far we bounced slightly off of it, but we still need to change the hourly trend to an hourly uptrend from our follow through, meaning breaking this high. Just gonna zoom in so you can see easier. If we break this high, which is 316.17, then we're back into an hourly uptrend, and that would have marked the low of the daily consolidation. And there's a good chance we will potentially test this area again between these two black lines, 318 and 322, if the hourly uptrend ends. And what the bears want to see is we don't mark the bottom for the daily consolidation with the hourly oversold. So that means that tomorrow we'll have to break today's low for that to happen from a continuation of the bear trend. And even let's say we break today's low, if you zoom out to the daily time frame, there's not a lot of red flags, and we still haven't tested this teal looking line, which is the EMA 12. You can see we bounce off of it here, and this was the one where we had a first hourly oversold, and we tested the 12 EMA at the same time. So that made two supports, and we bounced. So right now I am looking at to see if we break a low of today, and if we do, then I am going to be zooming out into this level where it's like roughly 312, and the 12 EMA would be 313. So I'll see if bulls would bounce off of that. If that happens, I'm still in my semiconductor short. I took profit in the morning, and once we get the hourly bounce, let's show you guys here. So I took profit in the morning when we gapped down. There was some bearish news on semiconductors on NVIDIA a little bit. So I took profit here in the morning, and once we got an hourly bounce, I re-added back. So I am scouting an hourly higher low. Essentially, this is what it looks like. So it goes down, and then this is the hourly higher low, and then we head lower. That's the play. So we'll have to see if QQQ rolls over as well. If QQQ doesn't break the low of the day, semiconductor isn't going to break the low of the day as well, because they are correlated. All right, so that's what I'll be watching, these two key levels, and we'll see if the bears can follow through tomorrow or not, or the bulls are going to take back control. And so the key would be the hourly uptrend or hourly downtrend to be watched for. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you guys got any questions, comments, feel free to comment below. And I'll see you guys later.